Hello students, you are welcome in Statistics chapter 15 NCERT part 2. Now we were talking of mean deviation in the previous part and we have done the starting questions of 15.1. Now it is 6th question. In this exercise we are finding mean deviation about mean. In short, we can write down mean deviation m dot d dot and mean in bracket. So mean deviation about mean. Similarly, we can also find mean deviation about median. So this is mean deviation about mean and 6th question of exercise 15.1. So this is observation, so xi and this is fi corresponding frequencies. Now because we want mean deviation about mean, so you have to calculate mean first of all. So for mean the method is summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. We have done this method. So you calculate fi xi, multiply 10 with the corresponding frequency similarly, and then after addition it is 4000. You calculate mean using formula, so it is 50. Now for mean deviation, so the formula is summation of fi into xi minus x bar mod divided by summation of fi. So we need to calculate this. So first of all calculate xi minus x bar, which is mean. So it means we have to subtract 50 from each observation, that is xi. So 10 minus 50 minus 40. Similarly 30 minus 50 and calculate like this. Then find absolute value, means mod of xi minus x bar. We have to reject this negative sign. So 40, 20, 0, 20 and 40. And then multiply these values with the corresponding frequency. So 40 multiplied by 4, 160, 20 multiplied by 24, 480 and so on. Now find the addition. So this value will be summation of fi into xi minus x bar, and then use formula for mean deviation. So this is mean deviation formula, and apply the formula. It is 1280 upon 80, and after calculation you will find out it is 16. So in this way you can find out mean deviation about mean. I hope it is clear. Now question number 9 of exercise 15.1. Calculate mean deviation about mean again. In this question, mean deviation about mean for this observation. So these are class intervals and frequencies. Now in this question we follow the same step. Calculate mean because we want to find out mean deviation about mean. Then calculate xi minus x bar. Calculate fi into xi minus x bar mod, and then use the formula to calculate. The same method we will follow. So this is the table that we have prepared for this. These are class intervals, frequencies. So for mean we have to calculate mid value, which is xi. So mid value can be calculated by adding lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, so it is 50. Similarly for next class, lower limit 100 plus upper limit divided by 2, 150, and so on in this way. So 250, 350 and like this. For mean we need fi xi. So you multiply this xi with the corresponding frequency, so 4 into 50. Similarly 8 into 150, it is 1200 and so on. After addition you will find this value. This is called summation of fi xi, and then use formula to calculate mean. So you will find out it is 358. For mean deviation we need xi minus x bar. So you calculate, then xi minus x bar mod. So reject negative sign, write down the positive values only. Then calculate fi into xi minus x bar. These are the values. So multiply this value with the corresponding frequency. So 4 into, and add this. So this is summation of sum of all these observations. Summation means sum of all these observations. 7896, and this is summation of fi. Summation of fi, sum of all frequencies, it is 50. Use this formula mean deviation about mean. Summation of fi into xi minus x bar upon summation of fi, and after calculation you will find out 157.92. So this is mean deviation about mean. Now in the next question, question number 11, we will find out mean deviation about median. So for this question we have to calculate median first of all, and for median we know the formula is, this is the formula for calculation of median, this is formula, and the formula is L plus n by 2 minus C upon F into H. We know symbol. What is L? L is the lower limit of median class, n is the sum of all frequencies, F is the frequency of median class, C is the cumulative frequency of the class just before the median class, and H is the width of the class interval. Now what is the procedure to select median class? So you find first cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency can be calculated. This is first 6, then add frequency of the next class to this 6. 6 plus 8, it is 14. Cumulative frequency of next class will be, you add 14 to this 14. Cumulative frequency of third class means sum of all frequencies above this, sum of all these three. So it is 28. Similarly, cumulative frequency of the next class, sum of all frequencies of 16 and of above classes. So we can also calculate by adding 28 to 16. So it is 44 and so on. So 50, this is summation of Fi or n, that will also be same. Now calculate n by 2, it is 25. We will observe this cumulative frequency. So median class will be, it means either you will search in the cumulative frequency either 25 or greater than 25. It means the next value which appears in the cumulative frequency, because 25 is not there, so next value to 25, that is 28. So in front of this class, that will be the median class. In this median class, this is lower limit 20, so this is value of L. This is frequency, so this is F. This is value of n, and cumulative frequency of the class just before, so this is value of C. So you put these values and calculate. So median is 27.86. Then calculate xi minus m, and then xi minus m mod. So we have calculated, so 22.86. This is 6 minus xi minus m, and you calculate all these values and then multiply these values with the corresponding frequency. So we'll get Fi into xi minus m, and after addition we get this value 517.16. So this is summation of Fi into xi minus m. Summation of Fi, that is 50, we have already calculated, and apply the formula summation of xi, summation of Fi into xi minus m mod upon summation of Fi, and calculate, it will be 10.34. I hope it is clear to all of you. You try all questions of 15.1. Thank you.